Good morning, everyone. My name is Yesha, and first and foremost, I would like to thank each one of you for coming today, being here, because I myself have come here after swimming, doing a lot of swimming. So, yeah, thank you everyone for coming. So, do you guys had comprehension in school? Do you like it? Comprehension सबसे easy होता है English paper में. So today we are going to do that. I'll say something about my topic, and at the end of the topic I'll ask you two questions. If you answer the questions correctly, you'll get a prize. Prize is a surprise, okay? Don't guess. So let us begin. Yeah, Silk, confirm. So let us begin. My topic is technical versus technological knowledge for professional success of a chartered accountant. What is technical knowledge? Why do we do this? Initially when I read about this topic, I thought ICI क्या topic डाले यार, क्या है ये सब? But when I read about it, I understood it. One point was focal clear. That discussion of this topic is need for an hour. We need to discuss this topic. Why do I say this? Because we as chartered accountants are not just competing with people sitting in this room. We are not competing with people sitting in this room. We are competing with international chartered accountants, international professionals. So yes, competing with them, changing as the world change is very important. So technical knowledge is simply abilities and knowledge required to do specific tasks. Needed to perform specific tasks. By this I mean, along with theoretical knowledge, one should know application and usefulness of the concepts. For CAs, it would also include knowing the changes that take place in our curriculum, changes in regulations and so on. Now, what do I mean by technological knowledge? Technological knowledge is IT-based knowledge. IT-based knowledge like knowledge about information system, ERP system, various softwares and so on. So for example, I apply for being a chef. I want to become a chef. So along with knowing the recipes, I should also know how to operate various gadgets. I may know how to make a gulab jamun, but if I don't know how to operate the stove, how will I make it? So simply, accounting is now as much focused on technological aptitude as it was on technical skills. Mostly CAs have strong foot in technical knowledge. We are technical experts, but most of us are either ignorant about our IT skills or we don't pay any heed to it. So, am I not audible? As we all know, computers and computing devices play an important role in growing modern economy. Having understood this need, ICI understood that only having knowledge of tax, accounting, law is not sufficient for succeeding. And ICI included IT training, advanced IT training in our curriculum. Also subject of Enterprise Information System, EIS, my favorite subject, was included in the syllabus for inter-CA student. So what is technical knowledge for CAs? For CAs, technical knowledge is having theoretical knowledge and knowing how to use that theoretical knowledge. How are we supposed to use it? Technical skills are hard skills. It is practical knowledge. We can master technical skills only after experience. Also, we CAs get 3 years of practical training, articleship, which helps us in being technically efficient. So I would request each one of you, never ever go for dummy. Now, what is technological knowledge for chartered accountants? As chartered accountants looking for employment are expected to work in large corporations. 99% of these corporations follow ERP systems. There is no pen and paper system. Each transaction is recorded in an ERP system and takes place through internet. So chartered accountants should have knowledge of ERP systems. They should also have knowledge of various applications, including Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word. They should have knowledge about different types of accounting systems. Also, there are various types of accounting softwares present in market today. So having knowledge about them is very important. Database management software like MySQL will also help us in our curriculum. So why not know them? Windows OS and Mac OS. Windows operating system and Mac operating system are widely used, and having knowledge about the same can help us in our curriculum. So now I am a Gujarati. Pure Gujarati. When I make investment, I need profits. I need to know, अगर मैं 10 रुपए डाल रही हूँ तो मुझे 11 मिलने चाहिए वापस. It is an example, guys. So when we can do well with just knowing accounting, law, tax, why do we do all this झंझट? क्यों करना है कंप्यूटर का झंझट? ऐसे ही टैक्स लॉ पढ़ के खुश रहते ना. But there are benefits. We have benefits and we need to look upon them. So technological skills like big data analytics can change the way audits are done permanently. Big data analytics have many benefits. Auditor can better identify financial reporting, fraud, operational business risk. Audit would be more of assurance. Auditor can find answers to complex questions. Now, what do I mean by complex question? So if I am an auditor and I need to find a purchase having price less than 50 rupees per unit, but quantity more than 50 kgs. So how do I do that? By searching each and every data? I think that would be very tedious. So big data analysis can help us in finding answers to such complex questions. Also, there are plethora of accounting apps in market today. All we know is Tally. Tally सबको आता है. But are we aware about the other accounting apps? Like Profit Books, Busy, Zoho Books, QuickBooks. So if client is not following Tally, if your client is not following Tally, what will you do? It will be difficult for you to audit financial statements. See, there are two types of ERP consultants in the market. One is functional consultant, other is technical consultant. So technical consultant is one who makes software, one who does the coding job. But CAs can be functional consultants with coding and programming skills. We chartered accountants can solve our routine problems or routine tasks. Like if I want to make a 10,000 sales report, when my sales goes about 10,000, I need to issue a report to ABC Limited. So doing that every day again and again, we can develop simple softwares which don't need that high scale of coding skills. Also, it can help us providing those information which traditional accounting cannot provide. With knowledge of computer systems, CAs can be efficient and effective. So why not learn them? Now, the biggest question. Do CAs who are not aware about technology, would we be outdated? What do you guys think? Would we be outdated? So, to answer this question, I have two aspects. One aspect is from the curriculum point of view. So, while we are in articleship, we learn to deal with changes. Tax laws change every day. Company law changes every day. There are notices, notifications, circular everywhere. We see rates changing. Or sometimes altogether there is a new form of company, like one-person company or limited liability partnership. And right beside all of these changes is a chartered accountant. So a person who has become a professional after dealing with so many changes, I don't think he will be outdated because he himself knows how to deal with the change. Also, the second aspect, softwares are not born, they are developed. Softwares can automate only what is logical. And in our profession, there are decisions which are logical and that could be automated. But what about the other decisions which involve no logic? You may find a software for the logical half, but not for the other half. Also, have you seen top management of big companies? Have you seen ever top management of big companies with robots or machines? No. We don't see top management with machines. This is because softwares can never make decisions. We humans can make decisions. Also for audit, professional judgment, the auditor's response in any situation, professional skepticism, his opinion on financial statements can never be replaced by an ERP software. So CAs being outdated is not a question. So we can say that the CA profession will never be outdated, but some professionals will be outdated. We see many big CAs who have exclusive knowledge, but they still practice in old manner. Their practices are not the new way. Their practices don't match up the way businesses expect them to do. So such people are bound to be outdated in any profession. So as popularly it is said, if you don't change, your time will change. So yes, we should make an attempt to change with the growing world and know about the technology. Our profession is entirely based on changes. When changes come, it is bound to bring more business. But if we don't cope with the changes, our time will change and will be outdated. So let us conclude. CAs having technological knowledge would be in high demand. And those not having technological knowledge will find it hard to sustain in the market. But the most important point, technological knowledge is an add-on. It adds value. It can never replace your technical skills. Technical skills are most important. So be updated about any changes that come in IT field. Make the note of same. Computers are made to make our work easy. They are not evil. 30 years back, CA articles spent most of their time tallying trial balances. And today, even the simplest of accounting softwares can do the same with high accuracy, and it is available anytime you want. Softwares make our work easy. They have been doing this in past, in present, and will continue to do the same in future. If I can increase my productivity by learning computer, so why not increase it? The questions, will you guys answer? Yes. So, can anyone tell me one point why technological knowledge is important? Just one point. Anyone else? Yes. Woo! Bola. Yes. So I'm going to give you prize. Thank you.